Are you searching for best inflatable paddleboard? In this video we shortlisted top 5 best inflatable paddleboard. We made this list based on our personal opinion. After perform our research based on their price, quality, durability and other related issue and we ranked them. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So let's start the video. Starting at number 1 is Funwater SUPFR01A Unisex Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Materials and parameters. The new ultralight military-grade double-wall PVC is 35% lighter than similar size products, 18.5 pounds, with excellent wear resistance, toughness and long service life. The inflatable paddleboard standard size. Design and use. Funwater's unique ergonomic handle design allows you to inflate your paddle more easily in a shorter time. The sensitive barometer ensures that you can read the SUP inflation pressure value 12 to 15 psi at any time. The multifunctional elastic string can tightly fix any objects placed on the inflatable paddleboard. The multi-purpose and ultra-large backpack can help you easily carry. Coming in at number 2, SUP Stand-Up Paddleboard. Product details: long, 335 centimeters, width, 74 centimeters, thick, 15 centimeters, weight, approximately 15 kilograms, ideal weight, up to 140 kilograms, 15 centimeters thick, luggage system, consisting of eyelets, with elastic rubber bands, all-round edge reinforcement. Non-slip EVA pad with honeycomb structure, stable handle, woven drop stitch technology, for optimal stability, fin plug system for a quick exchange, 4 rust-free fastening eyelets, for the foot strap and for transport, screw valve with quick release, for quick filling or emptying. This product regular price is US $710. After 48% discount price, US $364. Note, this price change anytime. At number 3 is RXSY Inflatable Stand-Up Surfboard. Features SUP board stand-up paddle surfboard, 320 cm off blasbar plus paddle surfboard paddling, high quality. The stand-up paddleboard are the most stable inflatable SUPs on the market. SUP is made from military-grade double-layered, stitch-drop PVC, which uses 10200D density PVC laminated surfaces and made in a pitched stitch weave, built for exploration. If you like enjoying open water, treat yourself to inflatable stand-up paddleboards will have you on adventures like never before. Easy to transport and store, lightweight and compact. The high-pressure pump inflates quickly in 5 minutes, deflate quickly in 3 minutes. The aileron may be deformed due to packing and squeezing, and it can be heated and restored with a hairdryer. Number 4. 120 inches Portable Surfboard. Key features: high quality and sturdy, easy to carry and store. It quickly inflates or deflates for easy storage. Take your paddleboard with you no matter travel on the lake, river or ocean. 500D brushed PVC material. Hard surface after inflation. Impact resistance. Not easy to scratch. Safe and reliable. One-way safety valve. Not easy to leak. Need to press out gas. 30-inch width. 3 fins. Very stable on the water. Suitable for beginners to glide in calm waters. Not only entertainment, but also good fitness effects. Large area to sliding pad for safer water use. The inflatable stand-up paddleboard is designed for all skill levels surfing. The last is number 5 SPA00031 Portable Surfboard Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Material: 500D brushed PVC. Color: black-white. Maximum load capacity: 250 pounds. Quantity: 1 PC. Orders in last 30 days. 50 plus, 18 plus. Excellent customer reviews, rating 4.9. This product regular price is US $336. After 42% discount price, US $191. Note, this price change anytime.